The final suspect charged with murder in the Christian-Newsom case appeared in a Knox County courtroom today. The trial for Eric Boyd starts next Monday. Boyd is charged in the kidnapping, rape, and murder of Knoxville couple Shannon Christian and Chris Newsom. The pair were carjacked while out on a date in January 2007. Their bodies were discovered days later.
Boyd was found guilty in federal court of being an accessory, but hasn't faced state charges until now. 10 News reporter Cole Sullivan joins us with details from the final preparations before the trial next week. Cole?
Robin and John, there's no official word on why Boyd is facing state charges now, but we have learned a convicted killer in the case has been subpoenaed to be a witness. It was a short motions hearing for Eric Boyd in Knox County Court Monday, another appearance to add to the tally for Chris Newsom's dad, Hugh.
379 times we've been up here.
He says even after 5 trials and 2 retrials in the murder of his son, it doesn't get any easier to see the gruesome autopsy photos.
We'll go through that in order to get the guilty person. It hurts to see those pictures.
Shannon's father, Gary Christian, says preparing to come to court again years after the previous trials isn't easy.
Like you smoked cigarettes for years and then quit, and now you got to start smoking them again.
12 years after the crime, the images of his murdered daughter are still seared into his brain.
I see them every time I shut my eyes. Sometimes I see them when my eyes are open. It's just part of my life.
Monday in court, mostly procedural matters. Lawyers began discussions on instructions for the jury when the trial is over.
The instruction that we give does not include that one line that all witnesses are presumed credible.
The credibility of witnesses could be crucial. As we've learned, George Thomas, convicted in the case and currently serving life in prison, has been subpoenaed to testify by the prosecution.
I'll be glad when I don't have to sit through another murder trial.
We've got a few more laps to go.
One last hurdle in the family's marathon pursuit of justice. And this is the 30-page questionnaire potential jurors, 75 of them called Monday, will complete. Among the questions, how much coverage of the trial they've seen. The publicity could make it tough to find the 12 jurors and 4 alternates needed. Robin and John?
Cole Sullivan on this story.